Welcome to Scottish Drone Services, today in Invermoriston on the Scottish water site, and they're working in conjunction with Ross-shire Engineering. Behind me you can see this TTU. It's a transportable treatment unit. There is a system there that's plumbed in to the local water, and basically a TTU provides better quality water with filtration system to areas where the water isn't so great. There's approximately 10 units there already, and what they do is they come from Ross-shire transport those down to here, and then they get pieced together by like a jigsaw puzzle. Let's check out earlier on exactly what happened when the convoy arrived, and then we'll show you this unit being hoisted into position. We have already done part of the drone filming for this. So far, I think one of the most spectacular projects we've done from a drone perspective. Thanks for joining us again on Scottish Drone Services. As you can see behind me, the crane has done its job. We were here to film the arrival of the trucks and the positioning of that unit, this TTU, this transportable treatment unit, which is going to make the water in the local area much more pure than it has been before. And I think you'll agree, if you're interested in Scottish industry and the local area, the beauty of the environment, combine the two, has created some pretty dramatic drone footage. So I hope you've enjoyed that, and if you like what we do, please join us on Facebook, Instagram and YouTube at Scottish.drone.
Andrew Hendry, the MP for Inverness, Nairn, Badenoch and Strathspey. Join Scottish Drone Services on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram and online at Scottish.drone.